first year students, and welcome to Hedwig School of Violin, Craft, and Wizardry. My name is Caitlin Pizzazz, your new professor of practice. Before we start learning Hedwig's theme, please pick up your violin and wand, ensuring you have a proper grip, and let's get started. In this song, we're going to play on the G string, the D string, and the A string, but not the E string. We're going to start with B, which is a high 2 on the G string. Let's play the first note with an up bow. You try. Great! Now let's add in the next note, which is an E, or first finger on the D string. This note will be a down bow. Be careful when you cross from the G string to the D string so you don't accidentally play both strings at the same time. Although if you do, we can always use the reparo spell. You try. Now let's add some more notes. I'm not going to do any slurs in this whole piece. Play with me. Ready, go. Great. Now let's do that 2 more times. Ready, go. And again. Ready, go. Now for the next note, we need to hop the first finger from the D string to the A string. Make sure that you don't just try to smush the finger over like this or it will be out of tune. Lift the first finger up and fly it over quickly to the A string. You try. Now let's play a long open A string, then rock your bow over to the D string to play an F sharp, which is a high 2. Watch first. All right, you try. Good. Okay, let's put that all together so far. From the beginning, starting on a high 2 on the G string. Ready, go. Let's keep going. The next 3 notes you already know. Listen first. Your turn. Ready, go. Now comes the spooky part. We're going to play an open D, an F natural, which is a low 2 on the D string. Then we're going to lift the 2 all the way up and hop it over to the G string like we're Neville's pet toad Trevor. But we're going to hop to a high 2. Let's practice hopping from a low 2 to a high 2. Watch first. Now your turn. Nice. Let's practice our hopping 2s together 3 times. Start with a low 2 on the D string. Ready, go. Here we go again. Ready, go. Last time. Ready, go. Let's put the whole thing together so far. Get ready with me. Ready, go. Nice. The next part is almost like the beginning. Listen to what it sounds like. But now it changes. I'm going to play a 3 on the A string, which is a D, then a high 2, which is a C sharp, then a low 2, which is a C natural. Listen to this mini chromatic scale. Let's try that together 3 times. Ready, go. Nice. Here's the second time. Ready, go. Last time. Ready, go. Great job. The part right after this is extra spooky. We need to practice keeping our low 2 down, like this, then also playing a high 3 on the D string at the same time. Look how big this stretch is between a low 2 and a high 3. I'm going to need a special spell for this big stretch. Stretchium finger 3EO. Now that you did the spell correctly, let's practice just rocking back and forth from the C natural to the G sharp. Listen first. Now together, 3 times, ready, go. Again, ready, go. And last time, ready, go. Okay, the 2 notes right after that stretch are both a first finger on the A. So first we'll play a B, which is a regular first finger. Then we'll play a B flat, or an A sharp, which is a low one. You try. I think we're going to need a special spell for this one too. Shrinkium finger 1EO. I knew that would do the trick. Did the spell work for you? Listen to this part again. Now it's your turn. Nice. Let's go back to the low 2 and high 3 part. Listen first and then you'll play. Your turn. Now we need a special ending for this phrase. First we're going to play a low 2 on the G string, then a regular 3 on the D string, and then a regular 1 on the D string. Okay, listen to that ending. Now it's your turn. Good. Let's try that ending together 3 times, starting on the low 2 on the G string. Ready, go. And again, ready, go. Last time, ready, go. Let's put everything together so far. Back to the beginning. Get ready to play with me. Ready, go. 20 points to Gryffindor for a job well done. This next part is cool because your fingers get to be lazy. Put your 3 on the D string for a G, then without picking up your 3, put your 1 on the A string for a B. Now your bow is going to start on the D string, on an up bow, and then just rock back and forth. You try. Good. Now remember the spell Shrinkium finger 1EO? We need to play that part here, starting on a C natural, which is a low 2 on the A. You try. Great. Now we need 3 sets of half steps. First do an F sharp and a G on the D string, so a high 2 touching a 3. You try. Good. Then let's rock the bow over to the A string and play a B and an A sharp. So a regular one, then a low one. I'll do the spell for this one again. Shrinkium finger one-eo. You try. Good. Now rock your bow down to the G string. We're going to play a low 2, then scooch right up to a high 2, like this. You try. Nice. Now we just need to rock the bow back up to the A string to play a B, which is a 1 on the A, for a long and slow bow. Good. Let's put that section together from the lazy fingers and rocking bow part. Start with your 3 on the D string. And let's play this together. Ready, go. We're almost to the end of Hedwig's theme now. We have one more section to add. Listen to the whole section first. So we're going to play the lazy fingers and rocking bow part, plus the mini chromatic scale. Try it with me. Ready, go. Now, instead of the low 2 scooching to a high 2, we're going to play our special ending from earlier, where we do a low 2 stretching to a high 3. And then here's our special ending. Try that whole section with me together from the lazy fingers and rocking bow part. Now you know all of Hedwig's theme. Let's play it together. Ready, go.